Hey man, I see this, man. I don't know, I'm about to back up a little bit, but I can see this, right? I hit 1K subscribers on YouTube. I'm not gonna let that go. But, hold up. Alright, anyways, man. Listen though, man. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, James Bryant, man. And I'm back here with another YouTube banger, man. Listen, y'all, for you guys, man, listen, man, I gladly appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate everybody. Like, I literally appreciate everybody, man. We hit 1K, 1,000 subscribers in 1 month, man. I think we made history, man. I think, that's very, like accomplishable. Like, I did a big accomplishment, man. Like, I really, did something that a lot of people don't do. And like, for you guys that don't understand, that's just 1,000 subscribers. No, that's 1,000 subscribers in a month. That's 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, to be exact. This is not TikTok. TikTok, you can get 1,000 views and 1,000 followers way before YouTube. TikTok is basically like something that you just post on, like everybody just views. Everybody, like billions of people view it, like literally. Well, that's if you TikTok famous already or whatever. You get thousands or whatever. It's way easier to become TikTok famous, and that's TikTok. You know, TikTok is not YouTube though. But man, that being said, we talking about YouTube right here, man. We talking about how I hit 1,000 subscribers, man. And I'm very proud of myself, and I'm proud of my supporters. I'm proud of everybody who believed in me, and who kept me pushing, man. If it wasn't for y'all, man, I wouldn't be doing YouTube. I wouldn't be at 1,000 subscribers, man. And I appreciate everybody, man. Now, for you guys that's new or whatever, man, sub up, man. Like, I need you guys. I need everybody to sub up, man. Like, I need everybody. So everybody views my video, I need all you guys to sub up, man. And another thing is, man, y'all go follow me on Instagram, man. JamesBryantYC. It's down below. All my socials is down below. So you guys go make sure y'all follow me down below, man. At JamesBryantYC on Instagram. The other socials I care about, though, on Instagram, man. I really appreciate you guys to go follow me on Instagram. And another thing is, man, in this video, I hate playing with randoms, man, but I'm playing with a random, and plus, I'm not in a party. I'm not in a party, and I'm playing with a random. So, for you guys that don't know, I got the Xbox Series X, and I'll be playing with a random, man. I need guys to play with, yo. Like, literally, I'm not gonna play with just anybody. I need to do a video, so I was like, you know what? I need a good random that wins, like, good 80 plus, whatever. So, I play with him or whatever, and I'm in a neighborhood, so it sounds like a bunch of cars going by. But, with that being said, though, man, hey, man, like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe, man. Listen, y'all, let's get right into this YouTube banger, man.
Yeah, I was like, hey, yo, relax. Alright, man. I know. Yeah, sir. Let's get this stopper in, bro. Jeez. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. I should have got that still, bro. Is that all they gonna do? I got it. Green Bay. Hey! Let's get it right. Hey, bro, I'm recording though right now, bro. Let's turn up. It's like just I'm not really like a catch and shooter type of dude. And plus, like, you don't got like dominance. So it's like on a jump shot. Oh, I'm not gonna say dribble across shoot. Bro, these dudes is literally just going straight. Let's get right. Oh, boy. Horrible. Green up. Get right. I get. Yeah, but let me take him. Let me put him to work real quick, man. Nah. Straight. Only played a couple park games. Hey. Alright. Hey. Oh, Lord. That's your homie. Nah, I'm cool. I'm not a catch and shoot type of guy. I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm about to get my takeover 2 next shot. That's you, green up. I got the rebound. Green up. In there. You're right. You know what? Let me go to work. Let me go to work. Let me go to work. Alright, here, hold up. I'm gonna fade. Ah! No. Look at this guy. I should have made that anyways, bro, for real. So I didn't sell it, see that. Green up. Hey! Let's get right. 3 for 5. I hate this, man. Green up. Stuff, man. I gotta do more moves to go around them for real. I'm just trying to like just do one move and go right around. It ain't gonna work out like that. That's a good game. Expected to do more, but that's a good game, man. First time I played in a couple days in the park in my career. Right. Get right. Hey, yo. Yeah.